Hey guys, you just made it. Thanks for coming down to Sho-Me Tint. We're gonna show you what we're doing today. It's raining outside, we're working inside. We've got this big van we're wrapping. Nick is hyped about it. You hyped, Nick? Oh, he's hyped. He's super hyped. We always like the industrial vans. We do a lot of like color change, you know, cool wraps. This is for a local business. We're wrapping the whole thing. As you can see, there's a lot more like hardware. Look at this. What is this thing? Some kind of, hey, it's flammable. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. It's toxic. We don't know what's happening. Dangerous. Oh, it's like going on a date with me. Non-flammable. That's pretty cool. Anyway, we're gonna have to take it off. We're gonna take that off, this off. All this stuff's gotta come off. All these grooves and valleys. We see this as like, oh my God, this is gonna be so hard. You know what I mean? It's tough. To make it look good, all these textures to go over, all those are potential like seams and problems. But we're gonna handle all that. You'll get to see it at the end. It'll look super cool. Look, this is what we're gonna go for. We're gonna take this flat piece and we're gonna put it over there. Super easy. Nick should have this done in what, a day, you think, Nick? 24 hours, maybe? A week? Because it's big. How tall is it? Yeah, it's about that tall. Yeah, it should be easy. We can do that. It'll be no problem. This is just one we've been planning for a while. They've got 2 more, I think, commercial vehicles we're gonna be doing. The only thing is we gotta wash it first. Because look, if you're bringing your vehicle in for wrap, give it a little rinse, give it a little spritz, you know what I mean? Pour a bottle of water on it, something. We're gonna match these stripes. We're doing some, we're finishing out some very custom blingy stripes. Look at this. Bling! You can have anything you want. You can make it metallic, flat, charcoal, carbon fiber combo. What do you want? So Nick's gonna finish up these. And then we've got a couple chrome deletes going. We should have those wrapped up by the next day or so. I'll show you those. We've got wheels off. We're doing powder coating on the wheels. Got a bunch of tick going on. You know what I mean? We're just having fun. We're just trying to keep it light, keeping it busy. My guys are jacking around up front. But we're excited. We're almost there. We're almost to springtime. And then things are gonna blow up. Let's see what's going down in the tin shop. See if they got anything going on. We'll run down there real quick and I'll show you guys what's up. Made it down to the tin shop, show you what's cooking. Trey's actually cooking up some lunch right now. Sometimes like days like today, we get everything caught up. They have this little portable grill and they make themselves a little lunch. Looks like they're making me, what are you guys making me, bacon?
This piece of the lettuce here.
They all get the end. Perfect, that's exactly what I was hoping.
Real hot for you.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you very
We
much.
got the Texas toast.
Oh,
Okay.
Texas
We're
toast.
making grilled cheese, bacon cheeseburgers.
Oh, nice. I've been telling you guys to bring your lunch and you guys
So we
went a little hard. Yeah, went a little hard. So I was hoping to catch him doing some work, but no. Doing some lunch instead. So, but we do got some work going on next door. I can show you real quick. This Range Rover we did a while back. I think I showed you a little bit of it. I think we just did some tint. Oh, we did some chrome delete on it. That's what it was. But we made it into silver. This one, I told the guy that was like, hey man, your paint is a little rough and we can get it into way better shape. And he was like, all right, dude, sure. You know what I mean? But he said it more like, are you sure? And I said, absolutely. You know what I mean? So we're polishing it all up. We're gonna do a 5-year ceramic coating, a little paint protection film. And it's kind of hard to tell in here with the dust that they're making from the buffing. Let me show you this other side. If you look really close, you might have something like this. This actually is like super kind of faded and they've polished it up a little bit, but what we're gonna do is put some black paint protection on here and it'll look factory. What's something super weird we just noticed? Look at this. This came in like this. We got a black mirror on this side and look, a blue mirror on this side. What is going on? So I got to call the customer and be like, hey, by the way, do you want me to make your mirrors match or what? You don't want to leave them like that. I guarantee you don't know, and he's going to be like, what'd you do, you know? I'll be like, chill out, it's fine, no big deal. We're going to get it all shined back up, make it look brand new again, and we'll give you a little video of that when we're done. So it should be pretty hip. I guess I'm going to try to catch on some of this lunch and see what happens. So, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.